To pull over. He's still slow rolling. Yeah, we're already. He is pulling over, stopping. No.
We're gonna make sure he don't take off.
Y'all may go.
I got him right here, Randall.
Well, we're with Springdale on 1037 standby.
Head, what truck?
Randall, I'm coming to you.
All right.
Hey, you let them know.
Yeah, well, I look.
Hands, did y'all want to call him out?
Yeah.
Here, call him out for rep.
Step out from the driver's side. Step out.
Car off. Turn the car off.
Shut the car off. Shut it off.
I got pepper ball.
Shut the car off.
Open the door with your left hand and keep your hands back up after that.
Unbuckle your seatbelt. Step out and face away from me. Can you see his hands?
I got him. He's still good. He's still good.
Face away from me. Face away from me. Back up. Back up. Back up. Back up. Back up. Stop. I said 1037 on the radio with Springdale, and that's all I got now.
Okay, well, I wasn't letting him go no further, so.
No, it's too easy. Why'd you do that?
Can you go vote for me now? Yeah, you got it. 150%, buddy. 21.
20.
For short notice, we assisted Springdale. They had a short 1037, 41, excuse me, 40 TIs within 15.
We're getting further details from Springdale regarding their pursuit.
Wasn't much of a tip one.